How to delete Cameo on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the top left. Once you're on this page, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now scroll down and head over to the option of Cameo or My Selfie. Click on it. Now here you will be able to find the option of Clear Selfie or Clear Cameo. You have to click on it. Clear My Selfie or Cameo. This will delete your current My Selfie or Cameo and related photo data. You'll have to create a new My Selfie or Cameo to be able to access Cameo features. Click on Clear. With that, you have just deleted the Cameo. If you want to again create it, click on My Selfie, click on Create My Selfie and generate it. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you are able to delete Cameo on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.